Okay, another day, and today we are going to attempt to kill our dog that's always barking in the background, and a fat braid on our head. So we'll pin this up. We're going to take a piece from back there. I'm leaving out some face framing hair just because I'm going to throw mine up in an updo, and I might want to have some hair out. I might not. I don't know until I get there. Alright. Finish up our little braid. Hold the end. Let's just pull out these pieces to make it look big, fat, messy. That's the look, right? Never thought I'd say, I want to be big, fat, and messy. At least I want my braid to be, huh? There we go, big old messy braid. You know how we put the bobby pins in? I'm gonna go in this way, hide it so you can't see it. Gonna back comb and tease this part a little bit to poof it up, because if you're gonna have a big fat braid, then you need big fat hair. Okay. See, that'll fit right in there. Get my comb over. Go back here. Put our bobby pin in. A lot of the updos I do are basically the same puff style to the side, throw it up, but switch it up and add a fat braid, switch it up and add an accessory, throw a flower in there. With this one, I'm just gonna roll my hair different little ways in the back. Just gonna pick up pieces, roll it up, and pin it. Get that princess look for the day. Piece, roll it, and pin it, or not. If 5 minutes long. One hair hanging out here. You know what we do, we just find a place for it. Put it in there. Tuck it in one of the little rolls. You could wear your bang down and have your little braid poof. You could, if you wanted to, twist your bang, put it the other way. You could braid your bang and have your bang go up. You could put it just over your braid if you wanted to. We'll leave it down. We need to hide a little bit of forehead. And that's it for today. Got our braid on there. That braid across. In the back. Quick, easy, cute. Look like I'm going to a wedding, but I'm not. But I will pin my bang, because it is giving me a headache here. Doesn't want to stay. Styling is not easy for anybody. Try to make it work, right? Freeze and shine it, set it up, put some flowers back here. Woo! Looking beautiful. Watch out, see what everyone's going to tell you at Walmart. Can't believe it. If you like this video and your little fat front braid accessorized hair, press like, subscribe, tell your friends, share the videos, and let's all look beautiful for the new year. Thank you.